Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Coinbase account using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. In order to create a Coinbase account on your iPhone, first, make sure that you've downloaded Coinbase application from your App Store. Once you have it, tap it open, tap on the Get Started button at the bottom of the screen. Now in order to create a Coinbase account, first, type in your first name. Now on the next field, type in your last name, enter an email address into the email address text box. While entering an email address, make sure to enter a valid one after you're done typing a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure to create a password which is at least 8 characters long. Tap on I certify that I'm 18 years of age or older, and I agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. You'll be able to see Create Account button activated at the bottom, so you have to do that. Tap on Create Account. Soon after you do that, you'll need to verify your email. A verification code will be sent to the email address that you chose. Simply tap on Check My Inbox and open up with an email service provider. For example, I've chosen my Gmail account. So let me tap on Gmail. Open up Gmail by tapping on Open in the pop-up. And now you should receive an email from Coinbase. Tap it open and verify your email address by tapping on Verify Email Address. Once you've done that, click on the Start button on the next page. Now you'll need to verify your identity. Tap on Continue. After going through the information, it says that you need to enable two-step verification, which requires your phone number. Tap Continue and provide your phone number into the text box. Once to do that, tap Continue. At the bottom, a 7-digit code will be sent to your provided mobile number. Wait for it to arrive, and as soon as it does, type it into the text box. Once you receive the code, type it in and tap on Continue. Once you're done verifying your identity, tap on Done and you are done. And you have successfully created a Coinbase account using your iPhone. Allow necessary permission for the application. And there you are. You've ended up in the home page of Coinbase. Finished account setup. By tapping on Finished Account Setup, follow the on-screen prompts. Add a payment method in order to buy your first cryptocurrency on Coinbase. That is how you can easily create an account for Coinbase using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.